Hi guys, welcome back to Shopaholic Adventures and I'm Pragati and I am back with a video which was most requested by all of you. So you guys know and you would have noticed that I use a lot of colored eyeliners and I keep getting requests to share the best top 10 or top 5 blue eyeliners and kajals. So today I've got a collection of blue eyeliners in crayons, liquid and glitter for you guys to see and to select. So I am really not going to waste more time. I'm just going to get into the video and you guys can quickly see the video. These are my top favorite blue eyeliner, and also I'm going to share the swatches of all these for you to make it easy to select your favorite. I'm going to start with the crayon pencils first and then we are going to go to the liquids. So the first which I have is this LA Colors Neon Collection light blue eyeliner, and show you the swatch. I love the way this looks. It's a beautiful shade. So that's how this shade looks. Now the next one which I have is Nykaa's Blue Hex 01. So this one is a very pretty shade. It looks beautiful as a liner and as a kajal. So you guys can see how it is. It's dark and it looks lovely. It is a crayon shade and doesn't smudge so much, so it looks really amazing and I just love this one. Now the next two which I have are perfect for eyeliners. This one is Maybelline's eyeliner and this one is again a beautiful blue shade. This is a little dry as compared to the previous two and is a perfect material for eyeliner instead of waterline, but again it is very long lasting and I totally love it. So this one is Nykaa's Is Your Charms. This is really nice. It has glitter in it. I don't use this in my waterline because this tends to sting my eyes a little, so I use it for my eyeliner. You guys can see how beautiful this shade is, and that's the swatch. It's a really nice dark blue and looks just super amazing. So next in my list is this Lakme's Iconic, and this one is Royal Blue. That's how this looks, and I don't find it very pigmented, though it is long lasting, but it's not very pigmented and also tends to smudge a little on my waterline and also sometimes transfers on my crease. You guys can see even this one has transferred, so you really need to apply powder, which I haven't right now. It has a little metallic tinge to it and looks beautiful. So I have another shade from Lakme's Iconic collection, and this one is a turquoise shade, and this also is an absolutely beautiful shade, and that's how it looks. Again, a little metallic tinge to it and is just beautiful. Now I have three different shades from Avon's collection. So this one is a Starry Night Blue and this is how this looks. This is a dull dark blue. So you guys can see it's a beautiful dark shade, gives a nice look to your eyes and doesn't look like it's over the top. This one is Aqua Sparkle and this is a beautiful metallic color. It is just so pretty, but only thing is I feel it's too light. So you guys can see this metallic blue. This is the shade. I do have a shade from Purple and it is also a beautiful shade of blue. Again, a dark shade. It's a very dull matte shade. I use it as an eyeliner, but I do not use it on my waterline for the only reason that it makes my eyes watery. You guys can see it's a pretty light shade. I am not a big fan of this, but I thought of adding this because if you're a beginner and you want to try a very light shade, this can be the shade for you. Now I'm going to share these 4 liquid eyeliners in blue which I have, and I'm going to start with this. This one is from Absolute's Cotton Candy collection. So you guys can see this is the shade. I haven't really used this much on my eyeliner, on my eyelids, but I use it for my crease a lot of times, so you guys can use this for your crease. The only thing I hate about this one is the wand. I feel the wand is too pointy for me. My absolute favorite blue eyeliner is this one I bought from Studio West. It is only available in West Side stores, and this one lasts me easily more than 15 hours. It's very reasonable, and oh my god, this color looks beautiful. So this one is a beautiful blue shade. Whenever you people have seen me put some kind of liquid blue eyeliner, this is the one which I always love applying. And the best part about this one is that it's very quick in drying. The next one in my collection is this NY Base blue eyeliner. Now the only problem which I face with this one is for a liner, I feel it's little too light. And the last one in liquid eyeliner is this Lakme's Instant Liner. Now I personally am not a big fan of this collection because it takes like forever to dry, and also this one is very bright. It is something like a ink, but it is one of the cheapest liquid eyeliners available, and yes, it is from Lakme. The quality is good. That's how this looks. So you guys can see this shade. So you guys can see how bright this one is. So if you're someone who loves to add the pop of color on your eyes, then this one is certainly your shade because it really adds a pop to your eyes. It takes like forever to dry. That is something I hate in this collection. So yeah. Now I also have a Swiss Beauty's liquid eyeshadow, which can also be used like a liner or a thick liner. So I'm just going to show it to you how this one is. I love this shade though because it's a beautiful shade. You guys can see the consistency is nice. So I'm just going to apply this on my lids. So you guys can see I have just applied this liquid eyeshadow, and instead of eyeliner I'm just putting this, and I also applied it on my lower lid, and that's how it looks. It gives a very nice look. No, not much effort involved in this, so you guys can check this one out also. This is extremely reasonable. Do let me know what you guys think about this video. Would you guys want to see next my collection in purple or my collection in green? And yeah, stay tuned for the next video and keep loving